Oh, hey everybody, Nodramamakeupmama here with my assistant. Hey! I got home and I had my Ipsy box waiting, my Ipsy Glam box plus. So, Beckett, you're gonna help me open it. Hold on, we're gonna talk about it first. So, Ipsy comes in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size items, and you can also add on additional items. Travel sizes are $3, and full-size products for $12, and you can add up to 3 on each box. They also have the Ipsy Glam bag, which is, I know you want to open it, which is $10, and you get 4 to 5 sample-size products. But this is a box. Okay, you want to open it, so open it. Ow. Here, I hold the tape. You open. Can you open it? No. Yeah, there you go. You got it. All right, hold on. We gotta do the reveal. Everybody knows it says don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So, alright, undo the blue. And pull up the first thing you see. Wait, just do that. Okay. So, we've got a welcome to the block party. Oh, okay. So the first thing is, hold on, baby. We'll do one thing at a time. This is the Tetris Ipsy collab palette. I got the Game On one, which I believe is the green one. Yes. What color is that?
Green.
Alright. It's the green one. And those are the colors. Don't touch them. Mommy might not keep this. Those are the colors. Yeah, we'll see. Mommy might keep that, Mommy might not. It's kind of cool because it's Tetris. They would have this marked retail value. Hold on, Beck. What are you doing, dude? Hold on, you can't fix it out until I say. Let's see, where's the eyeshadow palette? You see it? You see it? There it is.
Yep, there it is.
Oh, right. So this is valued at $24. Comes with 6 richly pigmented velvety buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. All right. Well. All right. I'm not gonna put it on right now. Grab me something else. Okay, so I am super, super excited. I think like everyone else in the world that gets this, because like, okay, husband. Because I think like everyone else, we thought we were gonna get the littler one, the ½ ounce one, but no, we got the 1.7 ounce, which retails for $65. See, and because I was like sad because I thought we were just gonna get the little one, and I was like, well shoot, I hope I get the other thing and not this. And then when I saw I was getting this, I was like, arr. But now that I see we're getting this, of course I do need to read the ingredients, and they're not on here. So I will read the ingredients on here before I use it, but I'm pretty sure I can use it. And I haven't tried anything Sunday Riley, so excited. All right, Beckett says move on. Okay, so wait, put that back. I gotta talk about this one first, boo. What are these? Lips. Is that what they are? They're lips. You're right. These are called Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte Trio in Scuro, Lila, and Amore. And these are valued at $54. Holy moly. I would not pay $54 for 3 lipstick. Well, yeah, okay. So that's what, like $18 a lipstick. Yeah, I mean, that's how much Jeffree Stars are. Okay, so actually that's not a bad deal. But all right, so already my box value, 65 and 54, we're already over $100 with just that stuff. Okay, and this comes with, hold on, this is only one part of this. Where's the other part? Where's the other part? Excuse me, Ipsy. What? No. Okay, so I got the Suva Hydro Liner, and you were supposed to get a brush with it. A Suva Beauty. I was supposed to get the Hydro Liner in grease and the 620 brush set. I did not get the brush.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna have to contact Ipsy about that because I need the brush. So I didn't get the brush. This is valued at $26 for the set, so I'm gonna value it at 0 until I get the brush. Say 0.
Yeah.
All right, wait, just wait. The next thing, these are sheet masks, And I love Tula, and I like that they came in this little thing. Hold on, sugar boy. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Alright, Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Mask. There are 3 of them for $26. So this is a great glam bag. Like, I'm just super excited about Sunday Riley. I think everyone in general was just really excited that we got the big Sunday Riley. Way to go, Ipsy. But I do love Tula Skincare. I use their face wash now. So as long as it doesn't have anything I can't have in it. What are you saying? You can sit like that. And I don't think it does. It has lemon and papaya. Awesome. Okay, so I can use these. Yay. Alright, and then I added on, I think that's what I added on. Yes. I added on 2 brushes. So I got one of the Tetris brushes. Now with my Ipsy bag, my regular Ipsy bag, I did get the 5-piece brush set. But I like brushes, and these are really cool looking. Like, they have the cool Tetris things. And so I got a blending brush, which looks like this, and it's got, oh, and it's square. Oh, that's cool. You want to open that one? Can you open it? Pull it down. All right, can you show the camera? Show the camera. And then I got the, this Vasanti buffing brush. So that was it. That's what I got. I'm a little upset that I didn't get the brush that goes with the eyeliner. Like, oh, shut up! I got it. I'm dumb. You were supposed to tell me that was in there. You didn't tell me. You didn't tell me. You're gonna hold that all day. Okay. Well, he's gonna hold the brush all day. I'm super pleased with this. Like, I mean, that's, as far as value, you can't beat that. Cause like, okay, so that's 26, and the palette's 24. That's 50 right there. And then you add 26 more dollars for the face mask, so you're at 76. Hold on, baby. And then you add $54 for this, so that's 130. So this is almost $200 with the, and then this is 65. So literally you're like $195. So there's almost $200 of value in this for 25 bucks. I am super, super pleased, and that's not counting. Now, granted, I bought 2 add-ons with those brushes for both $3. So I paid $31 for $200 of value. It's not a slap bracelet, it's a brush. No, we're keeping it in there. Alright, hey, can you tell everyone thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And see you next time.
And everybody take a deep breath. Breathe it out.
Be still.